Long press any button for more than 5 seconds to reset Wi-Fi password. Press any button once to enter emergency recording mode. Enter the Wi-Fi setting interface of the phone. Find the corresponding Wi-Fi name starting with Motard or Disto. Enter the number to connect to Wi. Then open the app, click Enter Recorder. You can see the real-time image. Click the button in the upper right corner to switch between the image of different cameras. Click the button at the bottom right to switch to full screen display. Click Online to view the files in the memory card. Click the Edit button to delete or download video files. After downloading the video, you can go to the local page to play it. Click on the video and you can edit it. After editing the video as needed, it can be shared. The settings page can set the loop video time, sound record, and other functions.